back to my channel. So in today's video we'll be trying out new makeup products. Now these are the products I have never used before, and some of these are new to me, but they are not like new launches. Also, this is the first time I am sitting in front of camera and talking while doing my makeup. I have never done that before. I always do voiceovers. So yeah, I'm quite nervous. And yeah, with all that blabbering done, let's get right into the video. So I think I'm going to start with my eyes first. I have already prepped them, and the eyeshadow palette I'm going to use today is this LA Girl Pro Mastery eyeshadow palette. This is what it looks like from inside. It has this mauvey rosy sort of a theme, and it comes with a full size mirror as well, which is a plus. I always enjoy a good mirror. And it has this plastic film on the top of it which has like shade names written on it, which is really cool, but you have to remove it anyway. Also, don't worry about the shade names, since it has like shade names written on the back of it as well, with a picture of the shade, which is pretty cool, so you don't have to go like back and forth. So I'm going to start by taking this shade into my crease. This is the shade Corn Card. So there is a slight kickback in this palette which I can see like instantly. Alright, next I'm going to dip into the shade called Pretty, and I'm just going to use it to deepen my outer corner. Okay, so next I'm going to deepen my outer corner a bit more, and I'm dipping into this shade called Movin', which is like this dark maroon shade, and I'm just focusing it on the outer corner. Okay, so far I have only used the mattes in this palette, and I can tell you that there is a lot of kickback and there is a lot of fallout as well. It's not like a lot, but there is some amount of fallout, and the shades are pigmented, but you need to like build them up, which is okay. I mean, I like to have that control. Now let's move on to shimmers, and it has like quite a lot of shimmer shades, and I'm really confused as which one to use. I think I'm going to use this shade called Boss on my lid. Next, what I'm going to do is I'm going to dip into the shade called Pretty again, and I'm just going to blend the shimmer shade. So final thoughts on this palette is that the shimmer shades in here are unbelievable. Though this palette is quite pricey for drugstore, but the shimmers in here are so nicely done. I mean, they are so buttery, they are supremely pigmented. So yeah, I think I really like this palette, and I'll be using it more. Okay, so now that the eyes are done, let's move on to face makeup. So the primer that I'm going to try today is the Wet n Wild Prime Focus Primer Serum. This is what it looks like, and it has like a sweet yet fresh smell. I don't know how to explain. I'm like the worst person when it comes to describing fragrances. Very liquidy. Okay, it has like a watermelon sort of smell. Oh, it went into my brow. Okay, so as it claims, it is definitely hydrating, and it is very watery as well, but it is doing nothing to my pores. It is not even blurring it out. It's doing nothing. But it is a very hydrating serum. I think it will be good for the people who have dry skin. For foundation, I'm going to take the Physicians Formula Healthy Foundation, if I'm not wrong. Yes, Healthy Foundation. And you must have seen this in my Nykaa haul, but I haven't really used it after that. I'm yet to try it out, so let's do that today. Also, this foundation comes with a doe foot applicator like this. I have never used a foundation with a doe foot applicator, you know. Something about this is really exciting. So I look like a joker at the moment. Did I take a lot? Maybe. The shade is definitely light for me, but the finish of the foundation is so good. Okay, so this foundation blended really quickly, and as far the finish goes, it is giving me a very natural looking, healthy finish. I'm really loving how my skin is looking right now. Can you see? It is definitely looking very healthy. love the foundation, man. And I think the primer, the hydrating primer, adds up to the whole healthy glow. So moving on to concealer, I do have a new tube of concealer, but this is something I'm not using for the first time for sure. I have used it in most of my videos. This is the LA Girl Pro Conceal Concealer. And I was looking for a new concealer while I was shopping, but it is just that I always end up picking the wrong undertone. Sometimes it's too pink, sometimes it's too neutral, and I have a warm undertone, and this one suits the best for me. So I was actually running out of it. Okay, how do I remove it? It is what it is. Setting my face, I have the new K-Beauty HD Setting Loose Powder. It is in the shade Banana. Okay, so the first thing that instantly comes to my mind is that the quantity is quite less. How much is it? Okay, so the quantity is 10 grams. Okay, so the Fit Me one is actually 20 grams. So this one is like half of it. And this is what it looks like when compared to Fit Me. And you can definitely see the difference. So the quantity is quite less for the price. But the good part is it has like a net sifter in it, which will avoid wastage of the product. So the only concern that I have with powders is that it shouldn't make my face look cakey, and this one is actually quite smooth. Like my under eyes look really smooth, and it just blurs it out. I really like this powder. For bronzer, I don't have anything new, so I'm just going to go in with my Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer. I'll quickly bronze up my face and I'll be right back. Okay, so I have bronzed up my face. Let's move on to blush. For blush, I'm going to try out the new Wet n Wild Mellow Wine Blush. Now this is like the revamped formula, and I have never used their old one before, so I cannot really compare. This is what it looks like. So I'm just going to take my blush brush. This shade is really pretty. And also it is a matte blush, so if you have texture skin, it will not emphasize it, which is a plus. I love the blush. Okay, so moving on to highlighter, I have the K-Beauty Illuminating Highlighter, and this is in the shade Champagne Fizz. And this is what it looks like. The packaging is really sleek. It's so thin. It looks very pretty. And it also comes in with a mirror. You know what, I have been really admiring this brand K-Beauty since she is paying like a lot of attention to all Indian skin tones. Like even while she launched the highlighter, she launched like 6 shades. There were shades for fair skin tones, there were shades catered for deeper skin tones, and even when she launched her loose powder, she launched like 8 different shades, and there were good amount of shades for deep skin tones. I don't see a lot of brands doing that, at least not in India. Like I am still not able to find the right shade in my Nykaa foundation. It is just I either end up buying a light shade or a darker shade. So wow, I really love this highlighter. It's looking so beautiful. And then I'm going to take the same highlighter and I'm highlighting my inner corners. Now for lashes, I have this Renee lashes. I'm going to go and quickly put them on and I'll be right back. Next I'm going to take this shade called Pretty and I'm just going to put it on my lower lash line. For mascara, I'm using my same old Flower Beauty mascara because I don't have a new mascara. And lastly, for my lips, I have the Lakme Forever Matte Liquid Lip Color. It is in the shade Nude Dreams, and I think this will go with the look. What do you think? Wow, I really like this shade. For $2.95, I feel like it's such a beautiful lipstick. Oh my god, I love it. So yeah, that completes this video. I think I really liked everything I used today. The eyeshadow palette really good. The shimmer shades are so amazing. The mattes are buildable, but I think it's a good eyeshadow palette. It has beautiful combination of colors, and the pan size is actually quite big, so you will not hit pan on this palette very quickly. So yeah, love the palette. Like, look at my eye makeup. It is so beautiful. Talking about the primer, I think it is a very hydrating serum, and which is good underneath the makeup for people who have dry skin. And I have combination to dry skin, and I always apply a hydrating primer. I always apply the Smashbox primer water, but it does not do anything to your pores, nor does it blurs out your skin. So keep that in mind. It is just a hydrating serum according to me. So yeah, that is about a primer. So next was the foundation. I really like the finish of the foundation. It is so healthy, it is so nice, and it looks my skin but better. It is so beautiful. I love how this foundation makes my skin look, but I'm not sure how long it wears. I haven't done the wear test, which I need to do. I'll do it and I'll update you guys in my upcoming videos. But so far I love this foundation. The finish is amazing. It is very natural looking, not overly dewy, not overly matte. It is in between. Love this foundation. Next thing which I used was this banana powder from K Beauty, and I really like it. It does a good job of mattifying your skin, and it is very smooth. Does not have a lot of coverage to it, but again, it is not like overly drying. Trust me, like the Fit Me one makes my under eye look cakey, so I like quickly dust it off. I don't really bake with it, but this one actually did not do that. My under eyes are looking so smooth. I love this. I love this. I don't know how much I will use it to set my entire face, but I definitely will use it to set my under eyes, because I just think that banana is too light for my whole face. And then I use this blush from Wet n Wild, which I absolutely love, guys. I absolutely love. I am a chicken when it comes to blushes. I really like to stick to 2-3 blushes, which works for me. I think I have said that before. I'm having a deja vu moment right now. Have I? Anyway, so it is a very beautiful blush. Looks very beautiful on my skin, and I think it will look so beautiful on every skin tone, like most of the Indian skin tones. I cannot say every skin tone, but it's a very pretty color. I have shown it to you already, but I'm showing it again because it is actually a very pretty color. It's very lightweight, like it has no weight actually, and the packaging looks good, but it is very flimsy. Next thing I used was this highlighter from K Beauty, and I freaking love it. It is so beautiful. Oh my god, I digged my finger into it. It is a gorgeous highlighter. I love it, and I think this shade Champagne Fizz, if I'm not wrong, it will suit medium to dusky skin tone so beautifully. I really like it. And yes, the lipstick. This lipstick from Lakme, I was really eyeing this for the longest time because they are so inexpensive. There are like a lot of good reviews about it. Let's talk about the formula. Formula is very lightweight, and it dries down quickly, and it looks matte, and it does look really gorgeous. The only thing I felt was it was very slightly sticky, but it is not at all uncomfortable. And for the price, for $295, you get so much product. Like the Nykaa mini lipsticks are for 239 rupees, I think, and they are so mini, you can barely use them. So I think this is really nice, and I'm really looking forward to try more lipsticks from this range. So yeah, that completes this video, guys. I really hope you enjoyed watching it and found it helpful. If you did, then please give this video a thumbs up, and please take a moment and subscribe to my channel. It would mean so much to me. And take good care of yourself wherever you are, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.